guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new recipe today. Today we are going to be making a very healthy snack recipe from the Malabar region of Kerala. So this is called Kaipola. This is a simple steamed dish which makes it very healthy, and it is made from eggs and Nendraparam, or the Kerala variety of banana. It's super simple to make. Ingredients list is given below, so do check it out. And for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell. So let's jump right in. So in a pan, I've heated some ghee on medium flame, into which I'm going to add some cashews and fry them till they are golden brown in color. So let's fry the cashews first. So this dish has got some cashews and raisins as well, which will be even more healthier. So now I'm adding the raisins into this, and that also is going to be sauteed in the ghee until it changes color and becomes golden brown. So once that is done, we'll just keep it aside in a bowl and move to the next step. So in the leftover ghee, I've added a little more, and then I've cut the banana or the Nendraparam into small pieces like this. So I've taken two medium-sized bananas, which I'm going to add here. So try and use the Kerala variety of the banana, which makes the taste slightly different from the regular bananas. But if you can't get Nendraparam, then you can use a normal banana variety. So you'll need at least 1.5 cup of chopped banana. So you can measure it accordingly. Now I'm going to saute this until it's golden brown in color, and then remove and keep it aside. Next, I've taken eggs in a bowl. I've taken 3 eggs here. You can even use 4 eggs. The more eggs you use, the denser the kaipola will become. So I'm just beating the eggs nicely here, into which I'm going to add some sugar, and we're going to dissolve the sugar in the egg mixture. So once the sugar is nicely mixed, we will add the rest of the ingredients, which is a pinch of salt, a little bit of cardamom powder, and a little bit of rose water. So the cardamom powder and the rose water will help in masking the eggy flavor which will come in this dish. So now we'll mix the fried bananas to this. Mix everything together. Making sure that the egg is beaten well. Now we'll add half of the fried cashews and raisins at this point. Save the rest for later. So now I've placed a flat pan on fire. Onto this I'm going to place the non-stick pan, which I've greased with some ghee. And into this pan we'll pour the kaipola mixture. Now we'll cover this and cook this on low flame for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, I've opened the cover, and I'm going to add the rest of the cashew and raisins on top. And now we'll again cover this and cook it further for another 10 minutes. Make sure the flame is low. So after 10 minutes, you can see it's cooked, and you can just prick it with a fork and see if it's cooked through, and remove it from fire, and the kaipola is ready to be served. You can just flip it to a plate. So I'm just going to take it off the edges, and then we'll flip this into a plate, and your kaipola is ready to be served. So do try this recipe for evening snack, and let me know in the comment section how it turned out. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye bye.